Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
हेल्थ टेस्ट की बात आती है तो मैं भरोसा करता हूँ इंडिया's largest diagnostics company, Agilus Diagnostics. खुद को टेस्ट करते रहो.
We all know that pesky belly fat can be a real downer. Not only does it affect how we look, but it can also take a toll on our self-esteem and overall confidence. Plus, research has shown that carrying extra weight around the midsection can be linked to serious health risks like diabetes and heart disease. The truth is, shedding belly fat isn't just about doing crunches at the gym. It's a holistic approach that involves making smarter choices in what we eat and drink every day. So if you're looking to embark on a journey to a healthier you, then you are in the right place. Today on Eat Right, we are focusing on a vibrant array of vegetables that can be your best allies in losing that stubborn belly fat. Adding these into your daily meals can make a significant difference in your weight loss journey. So here are 10 veggies that you might want to add to your plate. Spinach. Spinach is a powerhouse leafy green vegetable that is packed with essential nutrients. It's low in calories, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to shed pounds. Spinach is rich in iron, vitamin A, C and K and antioxidants that can combat oxidative stress in the body. You can try different recipes every day. You can toss it into salads for a fresh crunch, blend it into smoothies for a nutrient boost, or saute it with garlic for a quick side dish. Additionally, spinach is high in fiber, which not only aids digestion but also helps you feel fuller for longer, making it easier to resist those pesky cravings. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are a fantastic addition to your meals if you are looking to cut calories without sacrificing flavor. These little fungi are incredibly low in calories and fat, yet they are packed with essential nutrients like selenium and B vitamins. Their umami flavor makes them an excellent meat substitute as well. Whether you are grilling them, adding them to soup, or tossing them in salads, mushrooms can add bulk or texture, helping to satisfy your hunger without loading up on calories. Cauliflower and broccoli. These vegetables are nutritional powerhouses. Both cauliflower and broccoli are high in fiber, which can aid digestion and promote a feeling of fullness, making them great for weight loss. The compound presence in both may help reduce inflammation and support overall health. You can enjoy cauliflower as a rice alternative, mashed or roasted with spices, while broccoli can be steamed, grilled or stir-fried. Their versatility makes them staples in a healthy diet. Chilies. So if you are a fan of spice, chilies can be your go-to ingredient. They contain capsaicin, a compound known to boost metabolism and enhance fat burning. Adding a little heat to your meals can not only spice things up, but may also help reduce appetite. Whether you are adding fresh chilies into salsas, sprinkling dry chili flakes on dishes, or using hot sauces, the kick they provide can elevate your meals while supporting your weight loss goals. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is more than just a seasonal fruit. It's a fiber-rich, hydrating food that keeps you feeling full. With its naturally sweet flavor, pumpkin can be used in both savory and sweet dishes. Thick, creamy pumpkin soup, spiced pumpkin muffins, or even roasted pumpkin seeds can be eaten as a crunchy snack. It's low in calories but high in vitamins A and C, making it a nutritious choice for any meal. Carrots. Carrots are not only crunchy and sweet, they're also a great source of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for eye health and immune functions. Carrots are versatile too. You can snack on them raw with hummus, roast them with caramelized sweetness, or add them to soups or stew for extra flavor. Their natural sweetness makes them a satisfying snack that can help curb cravings. Beans. Beans are a nutritional treasure trove, packed with protein and fiber, making them incredibly filling. They're also rich in vitamins and minerals, including iron and folate. Adding beans into your meals can enhance satiety and provide sustained energy. Add them to salads, soups, or even as a meat alternative in tacos or burritos. Their hearty textures and flavor make them a fantastic addition to a healthy diet. Cucumber. Cucumbers are a hydrating and refreshing vegetable composed of about 95% water. They're extremely low in calories, making them perfect for snacking or adding to salads. Their crisp texture can provide a satisfying crunch, and they can also be blended into smoothies or infused in water for a refreshing drink. Plus, cucumbers are rich in vitamins K and C as well as antioxidants which can contribute to overall health. Asparagus. Asparagus is a nutrient-rich veggie that's low in calories but high in fiber, making it a great choice for those looking to manage their weight. It's packed with vitamins A, C, E and K as well as folate and antioxidants. Asparagus can be enjoyed in various ways. Grill it for a smoky flavor, steam it to retain nutrients or roast it for a caramelized finish. Its unique flavor and texture make it a delightful addition to any meal. By including these vibrant vegetables in your diet, you can not only help reduce belly fat but also nourish your body with essential nutrients. Plus, with their versatility, you can enjoy them in countless delicious ways. Embrace these healthy choices and watch your weight loss journey thrive. I hope you liked today's episode of Eat Right. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe and keep watching Fit That.